students. This is the third episode of Think Like a Scientist, where I will be giving you the answers to the questions. Remember, this episode was when I was in New Mexico at a cabin, and then that cabin had a zip line, and Claire was riding on the zip line, and Claire went down, and she started off slow, and then she sped up really fast. But the zip line has this metal cable, and it goes up, and then it goes over. But the metal cable is being supported by the tree. And then to get the cable into the tree, we had to drill a hole. All right, so let me see if where the camera looks at the hole. All right, so this is one part of the tree where there's a hole. As you can see, there's a hole all the way through it, and the cable is going through there. So I wanted to see, do you think because there was a hole going all the way through the middle of a tree, if the tree would die? Your answers were about 50-50, meaning half of you said the tree would die and half of you said the tree would live. And the answer is the tree will live. You're actually only killing just this little part right here on both sides of the tree. The only part of a tree that is being used is the outside little bit of the tree. Everything that's in the middle of the tree is really just there to kind of support the tree. It doesn't help with growing the tree. It's just there for support. So water is going up the tree just inside the bark, but inside the tree just a little bit is where the water goes up. So you're really only killing just two small sections of the tree. Now, if we were going to wrap this wire around the tree and make that wire really, really tight where it squeezes the tree, you would actually kill the whole tree because the only living part is just right under the bark near the outside of the tree. All right, so the tree will live because you're only killing just two small sections of the tree. You're not killing the whole tree. And then next, let me fast forward it. We wanted to see, why does Claire start off slow and then speed up? Well, that's how gravity works. When you're at a sitting position and then you're starting to roll something downhill, okay, gravity is going to pull her from the high side of the cable down to like the low side of the cable, okay? So she's going to go start up high and go downhill. So she's starting off and she's going to go a little fast, and then she's going to pick up speed and keep going faster and faster and faster. And then that's why at the end of the cable, we need her to slow down because she's going too fast. All right, so we can watch it. It's hard to tell that she's going slow at the beginning just because of the camera placement. All right, but she is going slower at the beginning and faster at the end because of gravity increasing speed. The longer the distance is, the faster it will end up going because gravity keeps increasing and increasing on each other, and you start out slow. All right, and these are to stop her, to slow her down so she doesn't run into the tree. Okay, so that is why the questions are as they are. All right, let's take a break and look at Claire. See, she's going slow, and then now she's starting to pick up speed faster, and now she's picking up feet, and then whoo, and you see how those are slowing her down. Yeah, so there you have it. Good job, everybody, answering the questions.